Alright, here we are, and today we want to see what we can do when we have a slow performance machine. Okay, for example, if we have a old computer, older laptop, and we have installed Windows 10, we have a slow CPU or a small amount of RAM available. Okay, the computer might struggle a bit in the day-to-day tasks. So there is a few things that we can tweak software-wise to improve the performance in the operating system. Obviously, upgrading the RAM, so increasing the amount of RAM, and perhaps using a solid state drive rather than a magnetic hard drive, the older style. Those are things that would help, of course. But let's say we don't have any other option out there. What we can do is we can modify the performance settings. Okay, so we can get into the control panel, and in the control panel we can search performance, and we've got system here, and we've got this little icon. Okay, performance settings. And now what happens here is we can see the performance menu, and in there we've got all these options. Now we need to know that the GUI, okay, the operating system, gives these windows a tiny bit of effects, okay, and to make it look nicer, to have a better quality. Now, for example, if we have a look here, we've got show shadows under windows. Okay, so that's an effect. Show window content while dragging, and fade or slide menus into view, etc., etc. These are all graphical effects that are slowing down, okay, your the day-to-day, slowing down the CPU, etc., etc., because it requires a bit of processing power. So what we can do is, in that case that we have this slow computer, we can do adjust for best performance, and so that will deselect all these effects.